Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 is unpacked already. Hello guys, Noor here. Today we have photos showing Z Flip 4's final colors and we have the best features leaked. And now you can control much more on the cover screen, so stick till the end to know everything. In these photos, we can see every aspect of the phone, and apparently the phone will be in 4 main colors: black, lavender, blue, and cream. And in terms of colors, Samsung accidentally has confirmed that the bespoke edition will come in 71 color combinations, including 3 range colors: black, silver, and gold, and 5 bespoke colors, which are green, red, yellow, navy, and gold. Also, we have this photo of official case designs. Now we got to the good news. Samsung has confirmed that they won't use any Exynos chips in the Z Flip 4, and the phone will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, which will give the phone a big boost in performance and power efficiency. The phone will come with 6.7-inch Full HD plus 120Hz dynamic AMOLED 2X display and more than 2-inch Super AMOLED cover display. And as for the cover display, now you can control the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and flash. Also, you can reply to messages and make calls by registering 3 people to choose from. The cameras will be the same as last year: 2 cameras, 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide. The battery is a bit larger than last year, 3700 mAh with 25 watt charging speed. The phone water and dust resistant with IPX8 certification and will be available in 8GB RAM and up to 512 storage memory. The Galaxy Z Flip 4 will hit the shelves for a higher price than the Z Flip 3. The 128GB model will cost €1,109 instead of €999, and the 256GB will cost €1,169 instead of €149, which are around $1,129 for the 128GB and $1,119 for the 256GB. That's it for today guys. Share the video with family and friends, and please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the post notification. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.